reason why. Now I just stuck to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your laughter lived before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You wore your cap, I fix your tie. Watch you chase your dreams and fly. I gave the wings, I stayed behind. But now you're gone, and so is time. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touch the floor. Even pain begins to fade, but the love, it's always stayed. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to hear your call, to hear you say that I remember how you are. But wishes don't go that far. So I sing here on this stage, old and tired and full of age. Not for gold, not for fame, just to call out your name. Still waiting, still